What if you could bring lost pieces of cinema history back to life? That's exactly what the startup Fable is attempting with Orson Welles' The Magnificent Ambersons. This 1942 classic had 43 minutes of footage cut, replaced with a rushed happy ending, and the excised material was destroyed. For decades, cinephiles have mourned the loss. Until now. Fable, led by Edward Saatchi, is using generative AI to recreate these missing scenes. Saatchi grew up immersed in film, first seeing Ambersons at 12, and calls this project the holy grail of lost cinema. They're collaborating with filmmaker Brian Rose, who spent years animating scenes from scripts and photos. Fable is taking it further, filming live action and digitally recreating the original actors' appearances and voices. Of course, challenges abound. Early tests include obvious AI glitches, like a two-headed Joseph Cotten, and issues capturing the film's nuanced cinematography. There's also the delicate task of recreating emotions. Saatchi notes the AI struggles with happiness, sometimes making female characters look inappropriately cheerful. Releasing this footage publicly isn't guaranteed. Fable initially misstepped by not consulting Welles' estate, but they're now working closely with both the estate and Warner Bros. Welles' daughter Beatrice acknowledges their respect for her father's work, and actor-biographer Simon Callow is advising the project. Critics caution that, at best, this will be a fascinating what-if rather than the original masterpiece. This project raises a bigger question. Can AI truly recreate art that was lost, or is it just a polished approximation? Fable's attempt is ambitious, passionate, and controversial, a glimpse of what might have been. If you're intrigued by lost cinema and AI innovation, hit like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts on AI in film history. And don't forget to check out the related video in the corner for more deep dives into cinematic breakthroughs.